Welcome to Headline Podcast by MicroMolar. Today is Thursday, March 19, 2026. I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Susan. We've got a packed rundown of the latest in biopharma and medtech. Let's jump right in.
First up, AstraZeneca is deepening its UK-China ties, building a new cell therapy R&D and manufacturing hub that spans both countries. This move aims to accelerate next-gen therapies despite some geopolitical concerns.
Right. And in other big pharma news, Pfizer reported a phase 3 win for its PARP inhibitor, Talzenna. This could lead to its use earlier in prostate cancer treatment, significantly expanding its market.
Interesting. Meanwhile, Novo Nordisk has secured FDA approval for a higher-dose version of its blockbuster obesity drug, Wegovy. The approval, which used a priority review voucher, solidifies Novo's lead in the space even as competition heats up.
And the competition is definitely heating up. Eli Lilly released its first phase 3 data for a triple G candidate, retatrutide, showing weight loss and glycemic control comparable to Mounjaro.
A triple G.
Exactly. Some tests showed a mean weight loss of over 16%.
Wow. Sticking with Lilly, their partner Faunabio has identified a new weight loss target by studying the biology of hibernating animals. A very novel approach.
Hibernating animals? That's fascinating. Now for some M&A news. Collegium is acquiring an approved ADHD medicine from Corium in a deal valued around $650 million, diversifying its portfolio beyond pain management.
Smart move for them.
Definitely.
In a much larger deal, Syneos Health is acquiring Chinese contract research organization Bestudy. This move is all about securing a stronger foothold in China's rapidly growing R&D market.
Right, a big play for the Asian market.
Exactly. And speaking of acquisitions, Pfizer has discontinued development of another early-stage cancer drug that came from its Seagen acquisition, citing portfolio prioritization. Let's shift to some regulatory
Another
news.
one called.
Sarepta Therapeutics is planning another run at the FDA for its Duchenne exon-skipping therapies, even after a confirmatory trial failed to meet its primary endpoint.
That's going to be a contentious one. And it comes as rare disease advocates staged a symbolic funeral at the FDA, issuing 4 demands to accelerate reviews and improve patient input.
A powerful statement. In a more positive
It really
regulatory
is.
story, the FDA has approved a new liver disease therapy from GSK, which was central to its recent deal with Alpha Sigma.
Okay, a few updates from the medtech and health tech world. Washington State's Medicaid program has agreed to cover LEQ, an AI-driven social robot designed to combat loneliness in older patients.
An AI companion covered by Medicaid. That's
For
a
sure.
big step.
And in the surgical space, GATH successfully completed a remote-controlled robotic stroke procedure. The surgeon was over 100 miles away from the patient in Panama.
That's incredible. Finally, in funding news, Verily, Alphabet's life sciences company, has raised $300 million. As part of the deal, Alphabet is giving up majority control, granting Verily more strategic independence.
And stroke tech developer Imperative Care secured $100 million in financing to expand commercialization of its neurovascular products.
That's all the time we have for this edition of Headline Podcast by MicroMolar. Thanks for tuning in.
We'll see you next time.